Salted butter flavor. Okay, I'm gonna try the spicy. Freaking lockers, vending machines, vending machines, vending machines. I love it. I love it. Hey, you know what? I went to a 7-Eleven earlier. Oh, that's the juice that they give for free at the hotel. I went to the 7-Eleven. I couldn't find Gatorade. There's no Gatorade. I was looking for coconut water. There's no freaking coconut water. Let's see if I can find coconut water. Let's play find coconut water. Bunch of teas. Got it. That's cool. I had a Red Bull earlier. No coconut water. Unless that's coconut water and I can't read that. Coffee. Bunch of coffee. Like all these coffee drinks. Coffee. Great mix. Monster, that's cool. Green tea and stuff. Where's the coconut water? I like this vending machine right here. I forgot what state I saw in the airport. They had one of these. Really cool. Really cool invention. 350. That is around 250-ish. 275 maybe? Dollars. It has a photo of your cell phone. So is this, yeah, look. Smart media. You can connect your phone or your memory cards and print your oh, and a DVD disc. Print your photos. That's cool. Oh, there you go. Konnichiwa. Where is? Oh look, this one has a cable right here. Nice. Man, this is like slowly disappearing. I wish they had English. Language. Language, people. Language. English. And yes, this is the select for gifting, print with multiple photos, crafting. I don't know why she's yelling, but that's cool. What's in here? Oh. Quick video of this thing. Look at that. Wowzers. And this is what I like about here. In America, you know, kids take off with the little egg, right? The huevito. But in these machines, they have like a recycler bin that when you get your prize, you put the unused egg and you could, Tom and Jerry, repurpose that little egg, you know what I mean, instead of just throwing it away and it becomes trash. And musical instruments, sushi. Is that called sushi or sashimi? I think this one's sashimi. This is sushi, right? Cool. Reptiles, cool. Suzuki. Awesome. Farm animals. Whatever those. Oh, yeah, the little pork buns, I think. Oh. Whoever that is. It's not Harry Potter, but it looks like it. Hellboy. It's not Hellboy. Yum. Oh no. Godzilla. Godzilla. That's cool. Panchico and slots. There's like a group of, like, what are they doing? Oh, it is like fishing. Yeah, I've seen these. I haven't seen it, but I've dropped off where people are gambling their money, trying to catch the big fish, It only gets fatter and fatter and fatter. Yeah, casino, definitely casino. And mobile, dude. You know that app that saves you money or whatever the fuck? Oh, they're setting up Yahoo Mobile. What? This is like a Best Buy, you know. Fucking that's crazy. Definitely Best Buy. Phones? Yahoo Mobile. That's crazy. Family Mart says no video, no pictures. But anyway, I want to see how much the umbrella is, and I want to see the food that they have. I heard that I forgot what it's called. It's like a tamale but made of rice and fried chicken. So we're at the Family Mart. It's in a recording, but look at this. Potato sticks. Interesting. Oh, you know I love me some spicy shit. Very cool. Very, very cool. Diesel Japan has a bunch of stuff like this. Salted butter flavor. Okay, I'm gonna try the spicy ones. Do they give bags here? I don't feel like carrying shit.
Well, they asked me at the other shop.
I got a little juice, and look at the ice cream cone that comes like that, served already. Isn't that weird? Different. Oh, and then you can buy so many foods here. Sushis. But it kind of looks like, you know, like the 7-Eleven type of sushi where it looks like the rice is hard. That's what it looks like. Oh, these things. These things with the fried chicken. Somebody said that they're good, but they don't have any hot stuff right now, so I want it hot. I don't want it cold. Sandwich. Oh, cool. When I went to China, I saw sandwiches that were either jelly or peanut butter. They didn't have peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Isn't that weird? Like I bought two and then put them together. I thought that was funny and different. Ooh, look at this. You had a microwave? I think we have a fridge. Oh, that's cool. $5.73. Still around $5. A little under $5. That's cool. And then I saw this, like the raw, you know, you can cook at home or something quick or something like that. Cool. Huh. Warm sandwiches. Oh, come on. Doesn't it have to be refrigerated? It's not even refrigerated. Let's put it disgusting. Maybe it's not disgusting. Maybe we're just used to the Americanized ways. Soju. Alright. I'm good. Oh, this is what I saw. Look, check this out. They have cups of ice. They have cups of ice. I'm pretty sure it's like self-serve coffee type of drink. But anyway, they sell ice. That's cool. You don't see that in America. Just a cup of ice. Like, you have to haggle with the 7-Eleven guy to sell you a cup of ice. Bangla Road. But this is like, oh, when we went to China, like the sexy shows was like go-go dancers. There was no like strip club or anything. Lamb chop. Lamb chop. You like lamb? Lamb. You like lamb chop? I was watching a video of some girl and she was like, I'm Japanese, I could talk like that, like a little girl, but I also could talk like this. like normal, not like a dude, you know? Te dije. But is it like massage? Club. I'm gonna head down to the left. Or you want to go to that park to get jacked or what? Oh no, it's like a... Vamos a ver qué es.
¿Dónde?
Vamos a ver qué es.
Ahí está the Imperial Palace, ¿no?
Is it? Here it is. Spicy stuff. Look how thin they're cut. Let's get in there. They're really thin. It's kind of like the chips from... there's some chips that they put in the burgers of... in Brazil. They're supposed to be spicy. It tastes like pizza. Pizza flavored. They're good though. They're tasty. But I thought my face was gonna be burning. I was really like, ah. Yeah. Not. That's funny. Oh. Around the people. Oh, it's monsters. Pocket monsters. Oh, nice dress, my dude. I know it's not a dress. It's a kimono. So the big temple is down that street, but it's gorgeous. Shops to the left, shops to the right. Tourist trap, yes it is tourist trap. Actually, yesterday I walked around to see what prices you shouldn't pay, you know what I mean? So go to the non-touristy places and see if these prices are overpriced. So this is the shopping street. You're not allowed to eat in the shopping street. You have to step to the side, and then you can eat right here where they have little tables on the side. So it is true. Everybody's buying these little things, so I think I'm gonna buy one. I don't know how much they are, but they look good. That caramel? Yum. I was about to buy it. Anyway, it's 400, two little ones. There's like teriyaki pork buns, but without the pork. How to draw omiyuku. You drop $100. You shake this thing, little stick comes out, and then you look at the number that their stick has. You go to the little drawers, pick out your number. You take out your wish paper, your fortune paper. But if your fortune paper is bad fortune, then you tie it like this. Wishing wall right there. It's cool.